This is a poop. The poop fell down. Like scary bye.
Sorry.
Ink.
What is it?
Poop.
No, it's Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh.
And you were going to make a snake out of it.
Yeah.
But it's too funny.
Yeah. Because it's a poop. Uh-oh, it's almost a snake. Uh-oh, it's broken pink, white, and strawberry mouth. I'm making something that's real, not a snake. It has a stripe on it. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? It has a cut on it. Oh no, this is a rattle poop. This is a rattle poop. It's a rattle poop. This is 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 a rattle poop. Oh my, yikes. Boing. Yikes! My snake is flat! Oh no, I have to start again. I'm making something. I need an eye for it. What is this? And it has what is this? Oh no, it became a, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh no. This is gonna take all the garbage and grow strong. I'm gonna be out. I need more Play-Doh. I take off the part. I tear it up. God. It's broken. What is this fish now? It became something. Now it's a broken fish in it. It became what? This has to take all the garbage away and be stronger.
That's not all going to fit into the containers, though.
I need another Play-Doh. Can you open this for me, please?